Introducing the MATCH HSW15TEX hydraulic flange spreader with ATEX certification. A professional tool designed for safe work in potentially explosive atmospheres and beyond. Remember, safety comes first. Therefore, before use, put on appropriate personal protective equipment: gloves, goggles, protective clothing. Before starting work with the tool, make sure that the flange connection matches the parameters of the HSW15TEX. The flanges can withstand the maximum opening force, are not damaged, and there is a minimum of 6 mm clearance between the flanges. Then check the tool and all its components to ensure they are in good working condition, including the hydraulic pump and hoses. Visually inspect the jaws, body, and connections. Before starting to separate the flanges, for the safety of the operator and precision of work, leave at least 2 bolts opposite each other in the flange connection. This will prevent the flange from moving uncontrollably during opening. Depending on the work being performed, we recommend using as many spreaders as necessary to achieve even pressure and maintain safety. Connect a hydraulic pump with a pressure gauge to control the pressure. It should not exceed 700 bar. Before you start pumping, attach the tool to a stable point with a safety strap. This will prevent the tool from being accidentally dropped. Then, insert the jaws of the tool. It is very important that the jaws are inserted completely between the flange surfaces, and that the tool is perpendicular to the flange, not at an angle. Incorrect positioning of the tool may result in damage to the tool or danger to the operator. Never put your fingers between the flanges. When everything is ready, slowly increase the pressure while controlling the opening of the flange. There might be time when the flange opening is too big. That's when you use match stepped blocks. Once attached to the jaw, enables the tool to be used in wider flange joints and reduce the wedge extension, thus avoiding clashes with components such as valves or gaskets or the tool being pushed out of the flange joint. Back to our maintenance. Once the desired opening has been achieved, insert the safety block into the gap. Open the pump valve, slowly relieving the pressure on the tool and transferring it to the safety block. The spreader can now be safely removed. If necessary, the HSW15TEX can now be inserted into the next step to open the joint wider, repeating the previous step. After completing maintenance or installation work, all steps should be performed in reverse order. Remembering to close the flanges evenly and control the pressure. Good job, now you know how to use MATCH hydraulic flange spreader. Safety match tools are best tools.